Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope so you all are fine. Dear students, as in the previous lecture we have done some introductory lecture about the decimals. That was a quick review about the decimals. As our basic topic is addition of decimals, and these some introductory lectures are just before the addition of decimals for the best understanding for addition. So firstly we have learned about the decimals. Now in this lecture we are going to start the revision of the like and unlike decimals. So today our topic is like and unlike decimals, and firstly we will take a quick review about the like and unlike decimals. You have already learned about this like and unlike decimals in the class, so just we will take a quick review. So let's start. Dear students, do you remember how we set the decimal fraction in the place value chart? As you have learned about the like and unlike decimals, so what are the like decimals? Like decimals, in like decimals, the decimal places of the given numbers will be same. What are the like decimals? In like decimals, the decimal places of the given numbers will be same, and in unlike decimals, the decimal places of the given numbers will be different. And I already told you about the decimal places. The number of the digits after the decimal point are called the decimal places. So if the decimal places of the given decimal numbers are same, then those numbers are called like decimals, and if the decimal places of the given numbers are different, then those numbers are called unlike decimals. Let's take an example for like and unlike decimals. Here I have some numbers. I will explain you the like and unlike decimals with the help of example. So let's start. Numbers are 423.61. Second number is 3.123, and third number is 21.3. Now these are three different decimal numbers. How we can put these numbers into place value chart? Firstly, you should know how to set these decimal fractions in the place value chart. This is a place value chart for the decimal number. These places in the right side are actually the decimal places, and these are the whole number places. This part of the place value chart is called decimal part. This is called decimal part, and the left side part is called whole number part. This is called whole number part, and this decimal point separates the decimal part and whole number part. So these places are for the decimal part, and these places are for the whole number of the decimal number. Let's start how to set these decimal fractions, these decimal numbers in this place value chart. First number is 423.61. So the best method is that firstly you should put the decimal under the decimal. Then from the right side your first digit is 6 and the second digit is 1. Now come to the left side. First digit is 3, then 2, and then 4. Come to the second number, 3.123. So firstly put the decimal. Then in the right side first digit is 1, second digit is 2, and third digit is 3, and the left side the first digit is 3. Come to the third number. Our third number is 21.3. So decimal under the decimal. Right side first digit is 3, left side first digit is 1, and second digit is 2. Clear? So this is the way how to set these decimal fractions in the place value chart. First step is put the decimal under the decimal, and then best way is firstly fill the decimal part right side and then fill the left side of the decimal part, decimal number. Now you have to check whether these numbers are like decimals or unlike decimals. What are the like decimal? If the number of the digits in the right side of the decimal point are same, then that is called like, and if the number of digits in the right side of the decimal are different, then that is called unlike. Here this number is, our first number is 423.61. so after decimal there are 2 digits, so this number is 2 decimal place. This number is 2 decimal place because after the decimal we have 2 digits. This number is 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits after the decimal, so this is called 3 decimal place. This is called 3 decimal place. And in the third number is 21.3. In 21.3 there is 1 digit after the decimal, so this is called 1 decimal place. This is called 1 decimal place. So in our all these 3 given decimal numbers, decimal places are different. This is 2 decimal place, this is 3 decimal place, and this is 1 decimal place. Why? Because in this number there are 2 digits after the decimal, here are 3 digits after the decimal, and here is the 1 digit after the decimal points. So in the unlike, these all numbers are unlike decimals. Why? Because their decimal places are different from each other. Getting? So when we work with the decimals, it is very important to write our sums neatly and with decimal point and column properly aligned. When we work with the decimal, it is very important to write our sum neatly with decimal point and the columns properly aligned. Now these all numbers, these all 3 given numbers are different, having the different decimal places, so these are called unlike decimals. These are called unlike decimals. These are called unlike decimals. What's the reason? Because the decimal places are different. Decimal places of all these 3 numbers are different from each other. So dear students, we can easily transform the unlike decimals into like decimals. If decimal places are different, then first we need to convert the decimals, unlike decimals, into like decimals. Now I will convert these decimal numbers, unlike decimals, into like decimals. So let's start. What was our first number? Our first number was 423.61. Second number is 3.123. Third number is 21.3. So let's start. 6, 1 and then 3, 2, 4. Firstly we will put the decimal, then first digit from the right side, second digit from the right side, third digit from the right side. Then come to the left side of the decimal point, that is only 3. Third number decimal, then right side first digit is 3 and the left side first digit is 1 and the second digit is 2. Now I have to convert these unlike decimals into like decimal. Very simple. You have to fill the blank spaces with the help of 0. Where you will find the places in the blank form, you will put the zeros. Why 0? Because 0 will not affect the value of 0.61. 0 will not change the value of 423.61, and Also 0 will complete the decimal places. By putting 0 our we can complete the decimal places, and secondly 0 will not change the value of the given number. That's why we are using 0 in the blank spaces, in the blank squares, just to balance the decimal places, and also this 0 will not affect the value of these three numbers. Now this one is 3 decimal, this is 3 decimal, 1 2 3, this is also 3 decimal, and 1 2 3, this is also 3 decimal. Now these numbers are in like decimals. These numbers are called like decimals. What's the reason? Like decimals. Why these numbers are called the like decimals? Because the decimal places are same, 3 3 and 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So because decimal places are same at the right side of the decimal point, that's why these are called like decimals. When we add or subtract the unlike numbers, then we need to convert them into like decimal. That's why here I am giving you a revision about the like and unlike decimals, so that when we will start the addition of decimal, you should know how to convert the unlike decimal into like decimals. So I hope so this concept will be clear to you people. And if you want to write the now decimal numbers without using the place value chart, you can directly convert it. Like if I will write a number like 71.23, second number is 410.1, and the third number is 3.1. So firstly I will start from the first number, that is 71.23. second number is 410.1. so firstly I will start from the decimal. Right side digit is 1 and the left side 0 is 0, 1 and 4. Come to the third one, 3.1. so firstly I will start from the decimal. Right side digit is 1 and the left side digit is 3. Now these are unlike decimals. Why? Because if I will put the places tenths, hundredths, ones, tens and hundreds. Now these places are blank, so to convert this unlike decimal into like decimal, I will put 0. Now this is 2 decimal place, this is also 2 decimal place, this is also 2 decimal place. So I have converted this into like decimals. Clear? So dear students, hope so your concept should be more clear about the decimal number, places, like and unlike decimals. So in the next video I will start the addition of the decimals, and with the help of these lectures you can easily add the numbers by converting them into like decimals. A task related to this lecture will be attached with the video, so complete the task and follow the given instructions as a pattern, and that pattern will also be provided to the WhatsApp. Thank you.